Life insurance is more than just a policy. It's a financial safety net designed to protect your loved ones when they need it most. At its core, life insurance is a contract that pays a lump sum to your beneficiaries if you pass away, ensuring their financial stability during a difficult time. This payout can help cover critical expenses like mortgage payments, daily living costs, debts, and even your children's education. Peace of mind that comes with knowing your family won't face financial hardship is invaluable. Life insurance is about planning ahead so your family can focus on healing, not worrying about bills. As we explore the different types of life insurance, keep in mind that the right policy can make all the difference for your family's future. When it comes to life insurance, there are two main categories: term life and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a set period like 10, 20, or 30 years and is ideal for temporary needs such as paying off a mortgage or supporting children until they become independent. It's straightforward with lower premiums and a simple structure, but coverage ends when the term expires. On the other hand, permanent life insurance offers lifelong protection as long as premiums are paid. This type includes a cash value component that grows over time and can be used for savings or borrowing. Permanent policies come with higher premiums but provide both security and a way to build wealth. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right coverage for your needs. Term life insurance is the most straightforward and budget-friendly option available. It pays a death benefit only if you pass away during the policy's term, making it perfect for covering time-sensitive financial responsibilities like mortgages, student loans, or supporting children until they're independent. For example, a healthy 30-year-old can secure $250,000 in coverage for 20 years at just about $13 per month. However, if you outlive the policy, coverage ends and no benefit is paid. There are several types of term life insurance, including level term with fixed premiums, decreasing term for declining debts, return of premium for zero loss protection, and simplified issue for those seeking quick approval. Each type serves different needs, so it's important to match your policy to your financial goals. Permanent life insurance is designed for those seeking lifelong protection and a way to build savings. As long as you pay the premiums, your beneficiaries are guaranteed a death benefit, no matter when you pass away. One of the standout features is the cash value component, which grows tax-deferred and can be borrowed against, withdrawn, or used to pay future premiums. While premiums are higher than term policies, permanent life insurance offers dual benefits: security for your loved ones and a tool for wealth accumulation. There are several varieties, including whole life, universal life, variable life, and indexed universal life, each with unique features to fit different financial strategies. This type of insurance is ideal for those who want stability and long-term financial planning. Selecting the best life insurance policy starts with a clear assessment of your needs. Consider your financial goals, budget, dependents, debts, and how much income your family would need if you were gone. Compare term life for affordable, temporary protection and permanent life for lifelong coverage with savings benefits. Sometimes combining both types offers a balanced approach. Don't hesitate to consult a licensed financial professional who can help you design a plan tailored to your unique situation. Ultimately, the best policy is one that fits your life, provides adequate protection for your loved ones, and aligns with your long-term financial objectives. With the right coverage, you can move forward confidently, knowing your family's future is secure.